Are you a web developer who want to learn Laravel? Are you a PHP developer who want to learn Laravel? Do you want to enhance your skill to a higher level? Introducing to Laravel e-commerce website from A to Z. In this course, we're gonna learn from scratch and step by step how to create a complete Laravel e-commerce web application with 7 different credit cards for payment: Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, Union Pay, Diners Club, JCB, and Discover. We're gonna learn how to create and view products categories, and sliders. How to select a product by category. How to add products to cart. How to update products item quantity and how to remove item products. How to customize checkout form for online payment with Stripe API. How to automatically send the customer an email containing his orders from the web application after purchase. How to save and display client orders. How to export client orders from Laravel to PDF. This course is not just theoretical, but practical one. So, you will confidently understand with Laravel e-commerce, and this course will teach you from beginner to become a pro. What are you waiting for? Let's join and see you in the class.